guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. You guys, welcome to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, this is a collaboration with Klaiyi Hair. I hope I said that name right. You guys, we will be collaborating on this unit, and I will be telling you guys all the details in this video. So if you guys want to see how I installed it and all the deets about this hair, definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay guys, so let's jump right into the video. Today I will be working with Klaiyi Hair. You guys, they sent over their TL27 unit for me to review for you guys. It is 150% density and it is 20 inches long. They also sent over a couple goodies, a wig cap, lashes, a headband, and a scarf as well, you guys.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the...
Okay guys, so let's get into the hair. Right now, I just took it out of the package, you guys, and just touching it, feeling it, you guys, is really soft. It has its own luster, shine already to the wig as well. It was definitely straight. I really didn't have to put too much heat to it, meaning like I didn't have to flat iron this wig at all or anything like that. I didn't have to pluck this wig. I just put this wig on, y'all, and was in love, okay? This wig also comes with 3 combs and an adjustable band, so that way you can fit this wig to your head size and to your liking, because some people like their wigs a little tighter than others. Also, this is another way that you guys can adjust your wig to make it glueless.
You the one in the moon one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team. Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love.
Okay guys, so right now I am about to spray some of my airbrush legs on my legs of the wig. I find this is so much easier, and it's more easier than having to go through the whole method of bleaching my knots and using makeup.
In the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on.
Alright guys, so at this point I'm just playing around with the hair, just seeing how I wanted it. I love me a side part, but I decided to go ahead and put it back in the middle for the sake of this video. Right now I'm just going in with my hot comb, and this is just a bump down the front part a little bit. It wasn't too bumped like normally some of the wigs that I have had in the past, but that's all I was doing, you guys. I didn't use any glue for this unit. I wanted this to be glueless, okay, so I can take it off and put it on whenever I wanted to, and it actually came out so good.
Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Yeah.
Alright guys, so right here I'm just showing you guys that I did not apply any glue to this wig, that it is glueless. Also, I did know that I did have a couple of flyaways, y'all. Like, the flyaways was real, but I did go in with some of my gossipy glue, and as you can see, I'm just pressing it into the wig so that way the flyaways can just stay down. But that took care of that as well for the wig. Y'all, so this is the finished look of this wig. I absolutely love it. I definitely am going to leave all of Klaiyi's information in my description, so you guys can be sure to check them out and get you a unit as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.